Redmi Buds 3 have been launched at Xiaomi's latest true wireless earbuds. Under the Redmi brand, the earbuds come with an AirPod-like semi-in-ear design and are claimed to deliver up to 20 hours of battery life. Redmi Buds 3 are powered by a Qualcomm processor that carry clear voice capture noise cancellation technology to cut ambient sound and reduce echo during voice calls. Similar to other TWS earbuds, Redmi Buds 3 also come with touch controls. Redmi Buds 3 price has been set at CNY 199, which is roughly Rs 2300. Though the earbuds are initially going on sale under a crowdfunding campaign at introductory price tag of CNY 159, which is roughly 1800. The crowdfunding will go live in China starting Wednesday, September 8. However, details about the global availability and pricing of Redmi Buds 3 are yet to be announced. The new Redmi Buds 3 come with a 12mm large-size drivers that are backed by Qualcomm QCC3040 SoC. The earbuds also include support for Qualcomm's aptX adaptive audio decoding technology that is touted to bring a high-definition sound experience via Bluetooth. Xiaomi also claims that Redmi Buds 3 deliver a latency rate of as low as 95 milliseconds when paired with its flagship device including Redmi K40.